Imagine this. You're on a road trip, your portable car fridge is packed with essentials, and suddenly it just stops. That sinking feeling, right? Well, what if there was a straightforward, reliable way to bring it back to life without buying a whole new unit? This isn't just any generic component. We're talking about a premium replacement part specifically engineered for that car fridge 26.1L freezer cooler, the 28QT portable car refrigerator, 1224V DC60W model. The moment you hold it, you get a sense of quality. It's designed to meet or even exceed those original equipment manufacturer specifications, which is a huge relief when you're dealing with something as critical as keeping your food and drinks cold. One of the biggest headaches with replacement parts is the fit. Will it actually slot in perfectly? With this mod AP80 8P28725, the answer is a resounding yes. It boasts a precise fit and function, meaning it's tailor-made for your specific 28-quart unit. You can almost feel the confidence knowing it's going to integrate seamlessly, ensuring optimal performance just like when your fridge was brand new. No more fiddling, no more forcing, just a clean, correct fit. And let's talk about installation. Nobody wants to spend hours wrestling with complex repairs, especially on something meant for convenience. This part features a direct fit design, which is fantastic. It promises a quick setup without needing any special tools or modifications. For anyone who's ever attempted a DIY repair, that's music to their ears. You can get your fridge up and running again in no time, which is exactly what you need when you're eager to hit the road. Durability is another key factor, and this replacement part doesn't skimp. It's manufactured using premium materials that are built to last. We're talking about resistance to corrosion, heat, and general wear and tear. This isn't a temporary fix. It's an investment in the long-term reliability of your portable fridge. The black finish also ensures it blends in perfectly with the existing aesthetics of your unit. Ultimately, the goal here is to restore that original performance. You want your fridge to cool efficiently, reliably, and quietly, just as it did when you first got it. This replacement part is the perfect solution for maintaining that vehicle reliability and smooth operation. It's about extending the life of your existing equipment, saving you money, and getting you back to enjoying perfectly chilled refreshments on all your adventures. So, if your trusty 28QT portable car refrigerator has seen better days, and you're looking for a high-quality, easy-to-install, and durable fix, this mod AP80 8P28725 replacement part is a genuinely smart choice. It brings that essential cooling power right back, making your car fridge reliable once more.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.